Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You begin by verifying hardware and securing your data. Check CPU, RAM, and disk space. Once done, back up important files to an external drive or cloud so nothing is lost. Sign into your Microsoft account and note any product key. Next, create a bootable USB drive using the Media Creation Tool or Rufus. Choose the right ISO and target USB. Make sure the USB is at least 8 GB and formatted. This gets you ready to boot and install. You now boot from the USB to run the Windows installer. Restart and enter BIOS or UEFI, set USB as first boot device, then save and exit. When the installer loads, select language and click Install. Choose Custom to partition or overwrite the disk. Format or create partitions as needed, then proceed. Once installation copies files and restarts, finish setup, sign into your Microsoft account, and let Windows apply drivers and updates once you connect to the internet. Finish by installing drivers from the laptop maker and restoring your files. Install Office or apps from the Microsoft Store. Run Windows Update until no important updates remain, then verify Device Manager shows no errors and create a system restore point. If activation or driver issues appear, try the Activation Troubleshooter or re-download the correct driver. If you get a boot error, confirm USB was removed and BIOS boot order restored. One key tip: keep internet connected for activation and driver downloads.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.